Hi, this is Chris with Mason Creek Publishing, and I just wanted to give you a quick preview of the references that I will use as I create my different videos about distilling. My main reference will be my book, The Home Distilling Handbook, 2nd edition, which is, like all my books, available on Amazon.com. And this goes through step by step everything you need to do in distilling. It shows pictures of each step with the equipment, how to use the equipment, has a big glossary, and it's got an index so you can find information easily. It's about 350 pages, excellent resource. And I've got actually about 10 different books. They're all kind of lined up behind me here, all the way from tequila, rum, vodka, scotch, moonshine. There's 10 different books that are available on Amazon.com. So if you really get into this distilling business or hobby, whatever you want to call it, these books are really valuable. Over 10 years of my experience, and I do actually update these. This is the 2024 version of the Home Distilling Handbook, and I update frequently as I do research and learn better techniques for distilling, etc. So anyway, throughout my videos, I'll be referring to this book. Hi, Chris again with Mason Creek Publishing. We're going to talk about the equipment and supplies you need today for distilling and for making bourbon and any kind of whiskey, really, or any kind of spirits. It could be vodka, tequila, rum, whatever. This is the first video in this series, and we're just going to take a quick look at the main supplies and equipment that you need to get into this business. So, to give you an overview of the things you need a cooking area and a good cooking pot. This is a triple clad bottom pot that really works well. They're about $100, but a good one is essential. I got an area to store grain. I got kind of a area for enzymes and yeast nutrients and things of that sort. Scale. My record book where I keep track of all my records. And these record pages, by the way, are in all of my distilling books. And then I've got another still here. This is a column still. And here's all the books that I have available on Amazon. And my favorite still, my copper still, an alembic still. It's what I use most of the time. It makes the best whiskey, in my opinion. But I've got an area set up for that. I've got my jars and another table for bottles and jars and my condenser. And there's a lot of little knickknacks you need to have available for distilling, and we will be using those in this video series. And of course, I do a pretty thorough job in my various books of listing all the equipment and supplies that you need and how to use each item. So that's really helpful.